What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to put link in WhatsApp status. To do that, head over to your WhatsApp application. Once you are there, head over to that update section. And here you'll find the status option to put your status or adding a status update. So head over to my status. And once you are there, just let me show you. I'm just clicking a photo. I can mention people and also put a link. So to put the link, there are ways, like you can use a sticker, or you can also just write the link or paste the link like this. So yeah, once you are done, just tap on the paper plane icon and the status with the link is uploaded. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one.